Hey guys, it's Dasha. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making coconut fig bars with vanilla. Just like my last two videos, I don't use any gluten nor any refined sugars, and all my recipes are vegan friendly, so if you're interested, please continue watching. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you'd like to see more healthy recipes. So just like my last video, you're going to have to soak up some cashews for 8 hours or overnight to soften them. Once again, you're going to do that by filling up a bowl with 1 cup of cashews and making sure all the cashews are covered completely with enough water. Once they're ready, you're going to drain the cashews and make sure you wash the cashews thoroughly. For this recipe, I'm going to be using this tray. Now, if you want to make a smaller batch, you can definitely cut the recipe in half. Firstly, what I do is soak up my dates and my figs in warm water. That way they soften up and it's easier for them to blend in the blender. While I wait for them to soften up, I'm going to add my nuts into the blender. So, hazelnuts, almonds, and blend. If you want to have bigger chunks of nuts in your base, then don't blend it for too long. Now I'm going to add the remaining ingredients. So the dates, the figs, the flax seeds, coconut shreds, cinnamon, and water. And now we're gonna blend. Oh wow, that smells good. That smells lovely. So you're gonna mix it until the mixture sticks when you press it with your fingers. So that is how it turned out. Now you're gonna take your tray and wrap it up with plastic wrap. Now you're gonna pour your mixture into the pan and carefully press it firmly using your fingertips or the back of a spatula. Once that is done, you're going to put it in the freezer while you make the coconut cream. Now that the base is in the freezer, you're going to move on to the vanilla coconut cream, and you're going to start off by blending up some cashews. Now you're going to add the remaining ingredients, so the coconut cream, the coconut shreds, maple syrup, and the vanilla. Now you're going to blend that until it's smooth. So once that's ready, you're going to pour your coconut cream on top of your base. Once it is ready, you're going to cover it up and put it back in the freezer for at least 2 hours. Once 2 hours have passed, you can take out the tray and start decorating it with thinly sliced fresh figs. With the help of the plastic wrap, remove the dessert out of the pan. Slice the dessert to your desired size.